have church after. This is how I look. My hair is still in the prep. I have my bracelets, a hair tie, my makeup, it's my necklace. I have an off-the-shoulder top and I'm wearing a skirt. Now I'm gonna drive there.
Wait, what's better or worse, with or without this?
Do I really have a fit on? It's just cheap.
Can you hurry up? Or is that cold? Hey, stop molesting me.
I know this is not doing it.
I don't want to lose weight.
No one's. There's more people at. What's up guys, my name is Adam, okay? Welcome to the stream. We're gonna go try U&I Cafe at Perth on New Year's because we are too broke to afford anything else. Let's go! 가져가든지 알아서 해. 알아서 해.
또 코인으로.
우리 오늘 새해로 쏙 그분이 마시는
Hello, I'm going up to Yanchep today, so I packed this morning and I'm waiting for Ange to pick me up and then we're going to pick up Shelly and then we'll go straight up. We're going to pick up Shelly and testing the mics. Hello, ASMR.
I mean, that was like on my seat. Yeah. So we can put a little color. I didn't find my own personal use as well. That's why I got it. But if you want to get another pivot. Oh wait, no, I see someone there. How do we know which ones are ours? Yeah, a fan. With hot air coming out of it too.
Oh,
Where's
shit.
the bed though? Oh.
No, it's a TikTok.
16 between 16. Okay. Fuck me, where's my boyfriend? Whoa!
RB. No, here's a mic as well. He's like, do you guys like socks off on the bed?
Pads off.
What?
Socks off. It's hot.
Yo, what's good guys?
The outdoors.
Okay.
Near Lancelot, so even higher.
Well, I love knowing what people get up to.
Not TikTok.
Oh, I couldn't even see them on my camera. It's too dark. I think you can move this over and then. I think these ones take a lot more time. Come on, which one are you drinking? Dinner. Wait.
Because like, I have to hold it, so
Oh, yeah.
I just keep drinking.
Oh, this hella runny.
My girlfriend on the mouth. I got really pissed and asked her if she could have avoided the kiss. She said yes, but she.
Kisses your girl. But
I'm not done with my story. She said that wouldn't be okay because.
Oh
Oh my god, Timothy phone.
Tim!
Okay.
Okay.
Shut the fuck up, Vaughn. He's like,
Romantic too?
France is like the love.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Okay, hold this phone.
Or spray it?
Fuck. You have to. Oh.
just open that one up there.
Oh no, I was put my. Oh my god! I was about to put my hand there and it's fine on the fucking door.
No.
I can't see it.
What do you mean you can't see it? That's even worse.
It's gone under somewhere. I just don't.
Oh my god.
You record your phone and it's like, good. You're Charlie!
Wait, Loki, that's right though. Neither. Okay, no unnecessary yelling anymore. Unless there is a spider.
Oh, shit.
Bro, you just saw the gates of heaven.
Definitely turn off my toes now. Fucking button.
Do you have aircon there?
Hello friends, we have arrived at the Ancient Pub and we are waiting for 12 o'clock.
We only have one mic, so we have to share this with over 6 mics.
Is this it? Wait, what was your word?
Construction.
Construction.
What?
But yeah. Oh, you're a civilian as well.
But so you know the word.
And you got, also it's pretty much like, so Pat, if you're Jester doesn't win, they get extra point.
What the hell is construction tool, sergeant?
I can't save you guys. I can't back you guys because I don't understand it.
It's like saying construction and drill. But I feel like Ash is the B12. B12? Oh, I was not. I thought it was
Long drive. I haven't seen it Sunday thing. 50 minutes. Yeah.
Nah, I want the DJ. Wait, did you get waxed?
You did.
They both did. Shelly wins! Shelly, gas them! Oh, Shelly hit them. Follow them! Follow them!
Wait, pick up the board. Pick up.
Pick up the board!
Delete. Oi. At the back. Hey!
singing comedy.
Okay, shut up.
That's so cool.
Number one frequently asked question in the last like 24 hours.
I know, right?
I'm asking me. I live like at a parent when the kid comes in, I ask the kid, yo, do you need help instead of the parent?
That's cool.
That's hella funny.
You drove me.
Bye, team.
I just got home and I showered, but I'm about to leave in like an hour, half an hour. So I need to get ready. But I'm looking so tired because I'm on forward sleep, but I'll be fine, hopefully. So I'm gonna do my makeup and get changed and hopefully leave soon. This is my makeup and then this is my outfit. I'm gonna wear boots, but I'm about to leave now because I feel like I might be late if I leave any later.
Two of them.